So many of you have wondered if all the presidents are related. Well, we are. It's nothing really, I mean we are just an underground organization that's trying to run this country to help, that's all. And if there's a problem, just send me an email or a letter, I really won't read it. You know why? Cause I don't care. I just like the devil to tell me what to do and to control everything. Don't be shocked you knew something was up, people. It's not physics, it's just a matter of time before you see what the real agenda will be, rebel suckers. And the funny thing is, over half of you will believe it's true. That's hilarious, don't you think? And the funniest thing of all this has been happening all over the place. I mean, singers have been throwing up all these signs right in front of your face. Come on, it's not that hard. It's going to be alright, I mean, come on, it is not that serious, you're just going to help, that's all. Well, thank you for coming. Any questions?